Yo, what is up guys, Aaron here, and today I'll be reviewing that keyboard sitting right behind me, the Womier K87. So the K87 is a 10 keyless mechanical keyboard that I've been wanting to try for a while, and coincidentally they actually reached out to me and sent me that board to review. So first I just want to say thank you to Womier for sending this out, and of course that won't alter my review in any way. I'll always give you guys my honest opinions, so let's jump in. So we'll start with the unboxing, and this is the box that it comes in. Not that special, pretty much how all keyboards come packaged. And this is everything in the box. We got a user's manual, a USB Type-C cable, we got a key cap and a key switch remover, a cleaning brush, and of course, the keyboard. So this specific keyboard is a 10 keyless layout with a total of 87 keys. Now as you can see, this is a super RGB'd out keyboard with a total of 136 LEDs and 49 of them coming from the bottom. The casing is made of 3 layers of frosted acrylic, which really blends the RGB colors nicely. Even with the RGB turned off, the casing still has a clean minimal look, so you get the best of both worlds. The board weighs exactly 820 grams on my scale, and the measurements are listed as such. It's a pretty wide-sided design, measuring at about 7 millimeters on the sides, and the overall thickness is about ½ an inch. You get a right-sided USB port, which is always a good thing, and a total of 6 rubber feet on the bottom instead of 4 on how they used to come. Unfortunately, they're still not adjustable. Now the K87 is fitted with 3-pin Gateron switches, and there's a total of 5 switches to choose from. You can get black, blue, brown, red, and yellow, which is the one I have here. The keyboard also features a hot swap PCB, so you can easily swap out the switches to any 3-pin or 5-pin to your liking. Now here's a quick sound test with the Gateron yellows. I personally prefer tactile switches, but these yellow Gaterons feel insanely good. So for those of you that are into linear switches, I highly suggest you guys check these out. They're probably one of the best budget linear switches you can buy. Now I want to add that the stabilizers aren't the best, and there is a bit of rattle and wiggle, so they might need some work depending on how bad they bother you. For an average user, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Now as for the keycaps, the K87 is equipped with double shot PBT plastic, not ABS. I believe they used to come with ABS plastic, not exactly sure, but the ones I received are double shot PBTs. These honestly don't feel that bad, and if they did really make that switch from ABS to PBT recently, then props to them for making this upgrade. Oh, and by the way guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment. I'll always appreciate your guys' support. Anyways, let's move on. Now finally, what makes this keyboard shine is the RGB. As I said before, there's a total of 136 LEDs on this board, and 49 of them are placed on the bottom of the board, giving it a nice side glow and underglow. There's 18 lighting effects to choose from, and what I like the most about the RGBs is that you can turn off the bottom LEDs if you'd like, instead of having the whole board light up every time, and vice versa. I'm not much of an RGB guy, and for me personally, I see the RGB as just a nice addition to the board, given how nice it looks without the RGB. And I have to say, this is one of the better RGB keyboards that I've seen. The LEDs blend really well, there's not much bleeding going on, and they're very consistent throughout the whole board. I'd also like to add that there is software available that they don't really mention, and you can customize lighting effects, set profiles, and even macros. I personally don't see much use for it, but again, it's still a nice additional feature. So, with all that said, there's a couple things I don't like about the keyboard, and some of it is just personal preference. And one of it is the angle in which the keyboard sits, or lack thereof. This thing is flat, and with no adjustable feet, you're pretty much just stuck with one angle, or no angle, I should say. So it would have been nice if they added some adjusting feet. And the other issue is a lack of wireless connectivity, which isn't a deal breaker by any means, but a lot of keyboards in this price range have Bluetooth or wireless 2.4, and some even have both. So again, not a huge deal. My keyboards are wired pretty much 100% of the time, but it's just a good thing to know. So overall, I think it's a solid board for a solid price. I also think it's one of the better keyboards to even start with. It has nice acrylic casing, the stock PBT caps aren't bad, the Gateron switches feel really good, all for just $89. So at the time of recording this video, I believe Amazon is offering $5 off this keyboard right now. So I'll leave a link down below just in case you guys want to check it out. Alright guys, that was my review of the Womier K87, and I'm not sure, but I think they're all upgraded now because they used to come with 5-pin switches and ABS keycaps. I'm not sure on that, but the ones I got were 3-pin and PBT caps. So just be aware of that. Alright guys, I hope this review helped, and if you guys can help me as well by subscribing, dropping a like, leave a comment, I'll always appreciate your guys' support. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!